So I'm underneath the truck right now, and I gotta refill my transmission because when we dropped it, I drained the oil and I never filled it back up. So this thing takes a ginormous hex 17. I had special ordered it just for this. So it's not. She comes out. She comes out like this. Doesn't look too bad. All right, let me get the setup. Let me get the setup done, and I'll bring it back. I'm using Valvoline manual transmission synchro mesh. And I got this pump doohickey here, which goes into up there, goes in there. I'll put this up in here, up in here, up in here. Alright, so it's in there. Now, see if I can do this one-handed. She goes into. Take it off. Pumping this shit is definitely a workout. Okay, we're on quart number 2. Really puts a strain on your wrist. That's all she's got. Okay. Keep your dribble to yourself this time. Get in there. All right, let me get the 3rd quart. Take that off. Take this thing off. Oh, shit. You gotta take this off first. What a freaking idiot. Yes. I have no freaking fingernails for this shit right now. Oh. Yes. Oh. Fuck it. Patience for this shit. Fuck. Shit. Now it goes in there. Get it up there. All right. Sorry. Okay, so now let's get this done. refilling. And the winds, if it would figure, the wind would freaking pick up now that this little drip is coming out of here. Make sure it's yeah, she's full. They said it was gonna be 2.5. All right, I need my hand. Put the fill plug back in. Just until it pops out. There we go. And that's how you refill the transmission of a manual Chevy S10 2.2.